Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we're going to talk about large time frames like weekly, monthly, quarterly, and we will figure out. Looks like stock market building it up, and we will do technical analysis review and we will see what's going on. I don't trade on the weekly or monthly and quarterly time frames, but I do monitor all of them. For swing trading, I'm using daily and 4 hours time frame for entry and exit position. Now let's move to 5 rules of risk management. Please read it and follow it every single trade and you will be successful. Now it's a time for VBull. Time for VBull. Let's start from USA dollar DXY. And we will start from weekly, right? USA dollar weekly. How it works, let me briefly. If you want to learn more about VBull setup, just go to the description. There is the link about VBull setup training and other links about all my trainings. Now let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using simple moving averages, not simple, just regular moving averages, white line MA 200, purple line MA 100, blue line MA 50, yellow line MA 20, red line MA 10, and green line MA 5. MACD indicator lines, RSI indicator lines, awesome oscillator bars. That's all. Very simple, but it's not easy. It's not easy because emotions involved. If you follow the indicators, you will be successful because indicators do not have emotions. Like on my chart, look at it. MA5 green line did bullish crossover over red line and yellow line. It was bullish trend. When bars were above MA5 green line, it was bullish trend. When bars moved below MA5, it was bearish trend. And MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. As of now, trend is bearish. A lot of resistance. You see this level? A lot of support, actually, not resistance. A lot of support on this level. It definitely can get support and can bounce from it. So far, it's far from 200 to get support from 200, but trend is bearish. Monthly, also negative because last bar below SMA 5, 10, and 20. Whatever is below 10, 20, below yellow line, it is bearish. Quarterly, quarterly still positive, last bar still above all moving averages, still positive, right? And MACD bullish, positive, RSI, awesome oscillator already red bearish. Now let's move to Qs. Let's start Qs quarterly. Qs quarterly, you see it did double top. Double top, it touched the previous level, previous top, and it created what? It created bearish divergence on the MACD, bearish divergence on RSI, and bearish divergence on awesome oscillator. It means market is building bearish divergences. It wants to have correction. And especially RSI in very overbought territory, right? Bullish trend with double top and possible bearish reversal next year. Quarterly, it's a quarterly time frame. Monthly, bullish trend with bearish divergences on all indicators, right? Bearish divergences on all indicators on monthly and weekly. Same story, bullish trend on weekly. Look at it. Bullish trend, bearish divergence on RSI, on MACD, on RSI, on awesome oscillator. Bearish divergences on all time frames. It means Qs in overbought state and definitely wants to have some correction. It doesn't mean it will happen tomorrow. On daily, we are still also bullish and overbought state on RSI on the 75 level. It's very overbought. It definitely can do correction next week. But generally, market very bullish, very overbought, and next year, first quarter or second quarter, we are expecting to have some larger correction. Like, let me show you here on my chart. It is the yellow line. It's the next step for the correction. It will be easier, right? It will be M. Look at it from this top. It created like this one. It will be M, Mordor. Or it can go to the next step, green line. Yeah, 265 one. Next one is 180. Green one and red one. It is previous. It's even not previous. Yeah, and it still would be, yeah, the previous high was green line. That's what will be normal correction for. Yes, this one was 2000. It was 2000, not 2008. 2008, it was around here, around 47. It's going to test 2008. It should test at least 2000. I don't know about 2008, but definitely 2000. 2000 is around 170, 180. From 400, it's easy 50% correction will happen. And it will not be dramatic. It will not be end of the world. It will be still very powerful and bullish. You see, it has bearish divergences on all time frames. SPX, S&P 500, let's start quarterly. S&P 500, it's weaker. It didn't touch the all-time high yet. So far, maybe the other indexes will wait while S&P will get an all-time high also. It's building bearish divergences. It's building the top. Monthly, bullish trend, building bearish divergences. And weekly, bullish trend with already built bearish divergences. Right? Same is building double top pattern. DIA, yeah, volatility index is like they all negative, all bearish. DIA, Dow Jones, weekly, straight bullish trend for several weeks, bullish trend on all indicators. Monthly time frame, bullish trend with bearish divergences on all indicators. On the RSI, you see from the 2018 multi-years, multiple bearish divergences. Definitely wants to have correction for Dow Jones. And now let's move to IWM. IWM weekly. Let's see, Dow Jones monthly, right? Bullish with bearish divergences, and quarterly. Let's see quarterly what's going on. Quarterly bullish trend with bearish divergences. Also, multi-years bearish divergences started from 2018. Definitely it wants to have correction. Similar level, 2008 top. That's what we would like to test. 108, 2008. Now it's at 370. Huge correction. But it has a lot of support, right? The first one will be around 250. Next one will be around 150 before it reach 100. Bullish trend with bearish divergences is building bearish divergences on quarterly on all time frames. It means next year it will be some bearish reversal and bearish correction. Now let's move to IWM quarterly. Last bar above all moving averages, it is in a positive territory, but MA5 still below 10. Positive territory, not very powerful. Monthly, last bar above all moving averages, it is positive bullish territory, but not powerful. Weekly, it is powerful, it is bullish trend on weekly time frame. But it is a lot of several resistance, right? It's a resistant level. Started from here, one resistance, second, third, fourth, and it's a fifth resistance now. It could be fifth resistance. A lot of RSI in the overbought territory, and it created bearish divergences on the MACD, on an awesome oscillator. It definitely wants to have correction also. Especially, it's a bearish scenario, right? Bearish setup. SMA 20, yellow line did bearish crossover over 200. It is very negative bearish setup. I don't trust this bull run because of this setup. Monthly, yeah, monthly last bar above all moving averages. Positive but not strong bullish. Now let's move to Apple. Let's start Apple. Apple like Qs, right? Huge bullish trend with huge bearish divergences on all indicators. It definitely wants to have correction. Bullish trend with bearish divergences on weekly. Monthly. Similar bullish trend multi-years with bearish divergences on MACD, on RSI, and awesome oscillator. Very simple. And quarterly time frame, huge bullish trend with bearish divergences. It means Apple wants to have correction. Same way, Apple has support around 130. Next support will be around 56. And it will be 2018 56, right? And the next one around 27, it's 2015. That's how it's overbought Apple. Bullish with bearish divergences. On quarterly, on monthly, bullish with bearish divergences, right? Look at it. Bearish divergence. Everywhere. Bearish divergence on all time frames, on all indicators. Bearish divergences. And weekly, same story, bullish trend with bearish divergences on all indicators. Now let's move to Tesla. Tesla weekly, very weak. Last bar above all moving averages, bearish, but has from the top, it has trend line. Kind of, yeah, kind of negative. Bearish trend. Territory in positive position is bullish. Last bar above all moving averages, it is bullish. Monthly, last bar above all moving averages, bullish territory, bullish signal. And quarterly, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. It is bearish, but last bar still below 10. Still kind of bearish. And now it's Nvidia. Nvidia quarterly very overbought, way overbought. Look at this chart. Very aggressive spike. With bearish divergences on RSI. And last bar disconnected from all moving averages. Monthly, bullish trend on all indicators with bearish divergences. And weekly, bullish trend with bearish divergences on all indicators for Nvidia. Microsoft. Microsoft weekly bullish trend with bearish divergences on all indicators. Monthly, same story, bullish trend with bearish divergences on monthly. And quarterly, bullish trend with bearish divergences on all indicators. Definitely it wants to have correction. Amazon, quarterly, last bar above all moving averages, still kind of weak. But yeah, last bar did bullish crossover over all moving averages. It is positive bullish. Monthly time frame, bullish crossover, SMA 5 at 10, and bars did bullish crossover over all moving averages. It is bullish trend on all indicators. And weekly time frame, bullish crossover, bullish trend with bearish divergences on all indicators. BABA, Alibaba Group, weekly time frame, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend. Monthly, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend below all moving averages. It is bearish trend, right? Monthly it is bearish. And quarterly, same bearish trend, last bar below all moving averages. Now let's do summary. USA dollar still bearish on all time frames except quarterly. All indexes, they all close to all-time high. They are building double top with bearish divergences on all time frames. It means market is building the top and is preparing for next year, may first quarter or the next quarter, to have correction on the stock market. That's what we are observing. Be careful. Market, we will follow the market. So far, market is bullish, but it can quickly change direction to bearish, and we will follow it. That's all. That's all from my side. Let's move to my disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. Remember, for educational purpose, we're using paper trading simulator. And thank you for watching simple trading style videos. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe this YouTube channel, click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.